In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to level up craft badges on Steam for cheap. First, let's get you oriented. Badges on Steam give you profile XP, which boosts your Steam level, adds showcase slots, and increases your chance to receive booster packs over time. Start by logging into Steam and heading to your profile, then the badges page. This is your control center. It shows your progress on each game, which ones still have card drops, and what you're missing to complete a set. To build sets on a budget, the Steam community market is your best friend. Search for trading cards from inexpensive indie games. Many cost between a few cents and around 15 cents per card. Prioritize sets that add up to under $1 total. Keep an eye on the price per card and the total number of cards in the set so you don't accidentally overspend. Prices can vary by region and fluctuate, so it's smart to sort by lowest price and check recent sales. Every purchase on Steam also earns Steam points, about 100 points per dollar spent. Points don't directly grant XP, but during seasonal events, you can often level special event badges using points or earn event-related items, making your regular purchases pull double duty. If you prefer free-to-play routes, you can idle games like Dota 2 or Team Fortress 2 to get card drops once you've spent roughly $9 in those games. Idling just means running the game in the background. You'll typically receive up to half of a set this way, and then you can fill in the gaps. Sales and bundles are another low-cost path. Discounted indie games often include card drops, and bundles can get you multiple card sets very cheaply. When you have duplicates, trade with friends or reputable trading bots, or buy the exact missing cards on the market. Skip foil cards unless you specifically want their visuals. They grant the same XP as regular cards but cost far more. Once you have a complete set, usually 5 to 15 cards, return to your badges page and click Craft Badge. You'll get XP, a random emoticon, and a profile background. You can craft up to 5 badge levels per game using regular cards. After you've exhausted drops, use booster packs to keep going. You can receive boosters passively as your Steam level increases, or convert unwanted items into gems and create boosters in the booster pack creator. Finally, watch for seasonal events like the winter sale. Event badges are often unlimited and provide a huge XP boost in a short time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.